Yo guys, check this out. Check this out. GoPro Hero 7 Black right here in my hands. I'm excited, super stoked. I got the new GoPro. You guys know I love GoPro, so let's unbox this really fast. I've noticed that they have made this unboxing process slightly easier. Check this out. Unzip it from the bottom. Whee! And then here we can pull the box out like so. Oh, there we go. Yep, we can get rid of that. And we got the camera. And all the accessories are in this little bottom box here. You can take the camera off. You can remove like so. It has this little clip here. I'm so excited. Like, I just got this camera and I'm sitting in the car and I have the AC off. I'm like sweating, but I don't care because I got the new GoPro 7. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Yo, you know what I'm saying? Let's take this thing off. I'm just having so much fun right now. Oh, yes, got the camera right here in my hand. GoPro. Looks beautiful. Looks beautiful. Definitely looks a little different. I want to look at the camera itself, and it does have black here on the side. So it says 7 Black on the case and also the camera. This feels like the same weight as the GoPro 6. The battery door looks a little different. Yeah, still looks like the same camera. Still feels like the same camera. It's basically the same camera. Okay, let's pop open this box. What will we find in here? We'll find stuff like instruction manuals. Who needs those? You can just get rid of those. Stickers. These are very important. You don't want to throw these away. You want to put these on your skateboard and your helmet and your computer and all sorts of things. Yeah. Thanks GoPro for the stickers that come with the camera. We got more instructions here. Once again, who reads instructions? You must have like literally no life, or maybe you just really need to figure something out that you can't find out on YouTube. And also we have GoPro charger. I love these because my other GoPro charger, I lost it, but I guess I have plenty of these USB chargers, so not that big of a deal. GoPro always throws in a couple of little sticky mounts here, so you can you know, put one on a helmet, or maybe put one on the front of a car, or wherever else you want to put one of these. And we also have the battery for the GoPro here. This looks like the same exact battery for the 6 and possibly the 5. I don't know, I don't have a 5, so I can't really test that out. I'm gonna pop this puppy in here like so. Woo, that felt good. I need to stick a memory card in here. I have a memory card in my backpack. And it looks like we are all set. This is the GoPro Hero 7 unboxing. And I'm gonna go out and film with this camera because this is just an unboxing, but I actually want to unbox the camera and I want to show you guys some of the footage and want to compare some of the footage with the GoPro Hero 6. Also, I want to compare the audio. So many people are concerned about the audio with this new camera. So many people want to know, will the audio be better with the GoPro Hero 7? Or will it just be similar to the GoPro Hero 6? You guys know how the audio was on the GoPro Hero 6. It, you know, wasn't the greatest audio, but we'll see how it is on the 7. So yeah, let's go out, film with this camera, and make some action. Who brought fireworks? As of now, I am filming this on the GoPro Hero 6, no image stabilization. Let's listen to the audio. I'm just filming this sitting inside of a Starbucks. I did notice that the audio is a little bit better when you're skateboarding. You don't get that like wind noise, that like, you don't get that noise as much on the 7. Now let's switch over to the 7 really fast and see if there's any difference. Now I am filming on the GoPro Hero 7. Can't wait to look at this footage and compare and contrast. Can't wait to hear the audio just to see how different it sounds. Looking at some of this footage on my computer, it definitely looks a lot more crisp, and this image stabilization is definitely a whole lot better than the no image stabilization in 4K, 60 frames per second. I'm really digging this. One drawback I've ran into is on the iPad Pro, if you update to, I think it's iOS 12, the files from the GoPro will not work on the iPad at all. If I had iOS 11, I would film GoPro 4K 60 on the GoPro 6. Then I would download the footage over to my iPad, and I could not view any of the videos. However, if you put it in iMovie, it works in iMovie. Now with the new iOS 12 update, you can't even like upload the videos to an iPad, so that's kinda a bummer, especially for people who like to film and edit on the go. But who knows, maybe there will be a software update in the future. Cross my fingers. This is not exactly a GoPro problem, this is more of an Apple problem. But I wanted to let you guys know before you update to iOS 12, especially if you film on a GoPro and you edit on the go. This could be somewhat of a drawback, and I don't know how to go back to iOS 11. I don't think you can do that. HEVC files, it's really annoying. It's just not working on iOS devices. However, this could work on Samsung devices. I don't have a Samsung device to test this out on, but for some reason it is just like not working. Now, the only files that are in HEVC are the files like the 4K 60, I think the 4K 30. But if you're filming in 1080p, 30 frames per second, those should work just fine. But why would you go out and buy the new GoPro Hero 7 to film in, 1080p 30 frames per second when most people actually bought the GoPro to film 4K 60 frames per second? It's just kind of one of those annoying things. Hopefully maybe there will be some sort of update or something in the future. I just really cross my fingers because I'm a little bummed out about that. I'm gonna have to edit more on my computer and less on my iPad, and yeah, that's somewhat of a bummer. But anyway, I want to make a video unboxing the GoPro Hero 7, test it out, not just unbox it and say, wow, I got this new camera. I wanted to actually go out and use it and compare and contrast with the old GoPro. And believe me, I like this one a lot. This is a better GoPro. But anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out, yo.